understanding of the four Zumba styles. Zumba comes in different styles, each designed for specific goals and participants. The basic Zumba fitness focuses on high energy dance moves mixed with Latin and international music. Zumba Tony adds light weight to improve strength while dancing, while Aqua Zumba is done in water to reduce impact on joints. Zumba Gold is a lower intensity version designed for beginners, older, adult, or those who prefer slower movements. Number 1. Which Zumba style do you like the most and why? I like Zumba fitness the most because it is energetic, fun, and feels more like dancing than exercising. The fast tempo and lively music make it enjoyable and help reduce stress while staying active. It keeps me motivated because I don't easily get bored during the workout. Number 2. How do these Zumba styles contribute to overall health and fitness? These Zumba styles improve cardiovascular health by increasing heart rate and endurance. They also help build strength, flexibility, and coordination depending on the style, such as toning or water-based exercise. Overall, they support both physical and mental health by promoting an active lifestyle and reducing stress. Number 3. How can you apply your knowledge of Zumba in your daily exercise routine? I can apply my knowledge of Zumba by choosing a style that fits my energy level and fitness goals each day. For example, I can do high energy Zumba fitness for cardio or lighter Zumba goal when I need a relaxed workout. I can also include simple Zumba dances step in my daily routine to stay active and make exercise more enjoyable. That's all.